Hello YouTube, this is Donos56 with thing 1 and 2.
Hola.
Yeah, this is Testo 1, Lights 1, round 3. Black Wings won the first one.
Retake number 15.
Lights 1 won the second round, obviously. So, yeah, so far it's been really fun, so I'm definitely going to run it as my second main deck.
Just go.
Yeah, I'm drawing, God. Alright, draw. Wow, this is bad. This is pretty bad. Alright, what to do? Lumina. Give it a go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. It's fucking great. Okay, go.
You can't say anything.
Sorry.
I could easily. 2 cards face down. Summon Blizzard.
Go ahead.
Summon Gale.
Go ahead.
Uncontrol.
Go ahead.
Control Garroth.
All of that in defensive mode anyway.
Well,
that can't be trivied. Oh, wait, yeah, 6.
Level 6. Go yo. Half Lumina.
500.
Do I want to take control of it? Just see. Minus 800. Minus 3600.
Okay.
Yeah.
Draw. Wave.
No! I need them.
This is bogus.
No, well, okay, take control of your Lumina because I would have to mill.
Yeah.
That would be doo-doo.
Let's see. Is that another monster? I could be sure. Go.
Gale attack. Minus 2800.
Think card. Minus 2800.
Go. I'm like taking control of any of your cards, yo. I'm not milling. F that. Shiznit.
I don't know what I want to play with. Do I want? Yeah.
Oh no.
I want.
Can you make an epic comeback because Luna 1600 life points? Oh no! And watch your mouth while you're at it.
What are you talking about? Wow. Okay, that's a good thing. Wolf.
Oh, he's. These two?
Yeah. Wait, get out of this. These 4. No.
Alright, minus 2300.
Go.
Then do I draw 2 recklesses? I draw 4. Okay.
This won't be game.
No, it won't.
It won't be game. Bad
No,
hand.
it's not.
No Gales?
No, bad idea. This. Blizzard.
Still no game.
Yeah, House Celestia.
Go ahead.
1 card face down. 1 card face down. Aura.
Yeah. I think. Yeah. Yeah, I crap you. Let's see.
I do.
Necro. Oh my god, I need this. Necro. No, why come I couldn't mug these four?
Yeah, Blackness for the win, yeah.
Yeah, Black Wings won. And
Good match. Challenging. Very challenging.
yeah, Black Wings won. So,
Peace.
yep, 2, 3.
Click that yellow button.